Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about PPC strategy for winning the Amazon buy box. Let's get into it. When you lose the buy box, your PPC campaigns suffer. That's a fact. The moment your listing stops winning the buy box, your ads stop getting impressions and sales start dropping. This creates a frustrating cycle where it becomes harder to regain momentum. The goal is to develop a PPC strategy that minimizes these disruptions and keeps campaigns stable even during buy box fluctuations. One of the biggest mistakes brands make is stopping advertising altogether and then restarting after a gap. This leads to a sharp decline in sales velocity, making it difficult for Amazon's algorithm to pick up where it left off. A smarter approach is to maintain consistent advertising even during slow periods, adjusting bids and budget rather than turning campaigns off completely. A common issue in PPC strategy is over-reliance on exact match targeting. Exact match can be effective, but it limits reach, especially when buy box performance is inconsistent. A better approach is to allocate at least 80% of the PPC budget to broad match and auto campaigns. Broad match allows for greater keyword flexibility, ensuring continued visibility even when buy box percentages fluctuate. Another strategy is increasing the number of campaigns per ASIN. Running just one auto campaign per ASIN isn't enough. Instead, multiple broad match campaigns targeting different keyword variations should be launched. This diversification ensures that if one campaign loses traction due to buy box issues, others can still drive traffic. For Vendor Central sellers, tracking buy box performance is more complex since Vendor Central doesn't provide direct buy box reports like Seller Central does. In these cases, third-party tools like Keepa can be useful for monitoring buy box percentage and identifying whether Amazon itself is the main competitor. If Amazon is consistently winning the buy box, PPC ads won't generate impressions, making adjustments to pricing and bidding strategies essential. To counter buy box related PPC disruptions, a well-balanced bidding approach is necessary. If the buy box is frequently lost, slightly lowering bids may help cycle the offer back into visibility. If the buy box win rate is high but impressions remain low, increasing bids on high-performing keywords can boost visibility. Ultimately, a successful PPC strategy depends on maintaining buy box stability. If impressions are low despite strong organic rankings, reviewing buy box win percentage should be the first step. Adjusting PPC campaigns to prioritize broad match targeting, increasing the number of campaigns per ASIN, and keeping an eye on competitor activity can help mitigate buy box related challenges. By implementing these strategies, brands can ensure that PPC campaigns remain effective even when facing buy box competition. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.